Hi everyone, this is a video on how to draw Mission San Rafael Arcángel. The original building is not there anymore, so this is just a little picture of what is there if you went to visit today. I am drawing two dots, one higher than the other, to show that it is a little more hilly. And I'm using a straight edge to connect the dots. It can be a ruler, a thick piece of paper. I'm now looking at my paper, going to about half and putting two dots to show the top of my building. I'm just eyeballing it. And then using my straight edge to draw a line straight down to that slanted line. Okay, and next what I'm doing is finding the middle so I know where to put the point of the roof. Putting a dot there, using my thick piece of paper, straight edge, ruler to make a slanted roof. On this side, I'm drawing a little dot and then a straight line for the little part of the corridor I'm going to draw, and a dot for the bottom of the roof. Next, I'm going and I'm connecting my roof and drawing another line parallel to our first line. Okay, I'm going to make a space about this big for the door. It's round at the top. Okay, I draw a straight line on the bottom and two little slanted lines coming out from the bottom. We're going to show the stairs. So I'm drawing straight lines. Each one below the other is a little longer. And then I'll connect them by drawing straight lines that go down to the one below. And there are our stairs. A straight line, horizontal straight line, and then a straight vertical line for the doors. One unique thing about this store is you can see some of the architecture around it as well. So I'm drawing some slanted lines, some slanted, some go straight down. And then some details around our doors. Once you've done that, we are just adding some small details around the door. And right above the door. The corners connecting with small lines that radiate from that half circle on top of the door. Now I'm going back to the middle. What I'm doing here is I'm drawing a plus sign with an X in the middle. What I'm doing is where the lines are longer, I draw a point. Where the lines are shorter, I draw a curve. I do the same thing inside a couple times. And I'll show it a little bigger here with our next one. Plus sign, small X in the middle, point where it's the larger line, curve where it's the smaller line. You might need to take a little time on that. And that's okay. I do the same thing on the outside. And this one I'm going to be coloring in. At the top we put a cross, since this is the chapel at the mission. And there's a small plaque. I'm drawing the mission bell right in front here with some narrow rectangles with a little pointed top here, and the bell, just some curved lines. Behind that, I'm drawing a tiny wall here. And some pillars at the corridor. And some scalloped lines for the roof. Now I'm going over and adding some details to the corridor, such as door, windows. And over here, I'm adding some details like bushes. Okay, on this side of the mission, I'm trying to draw this behind the bell, is the palm tree that is on this side. It's very tall. I'm not going to draw how tall it is because it would go off the paper. So I will draw part of the palm tree. A couple zigzags and long curved lines to show the palms. And some smaller curved lines around those to show the leaves. This is one of the features that makes San Rafael Arcángel recognizable. There's many palm trees. On the branch, I'm going to add some texture. I drew this on top of the roof, so maybe some of the texture will help cover that up a little bit too. I'm just doing some curved diagonals. All right, we're ready to start coloring. I'm using different browns for the features like the roofs, the pillars in the corridor, the door. I'll use some brown for the tree branch. I'll use some greens for the bushes and the top of the tree. The bell I'm going to color in silver, so I'll use my gray. And then the ground here is cement, so I'm also going to color that in light gray. I colored in this space at the top of the palm tree with greens, and I'm just outlining it so you can see the leaves a little bit more. Some zigzags pointing that same direction. Okay, coloring the plaque in a brown, and then the windows I'll shade in black. The sky, I'm just putting some light blue and some clouds. And then it's all wrapped up. That is Mission San Rafael Arcángel.